Have you ever taken a swim in the ocean, accidentally swallowed a gulp of seawater, and immediately regretted it? But wait! Why is seawater salty while rivers, lakes, and even rainwater aren't? Was the ocean salty from the beginning of Earth's formation? Or is there another reason behind it? Let's dive into the fascinating answer right now. First, did you know that not all seawater is equally salty? The Dead Sea is famous for its extreme salinity, around 30–35%, nearly 10 times saltier than most oceans. On the other hand, the Baltic Sea in Europe has much lower salinity, sometimes only 0.5 to 1%. So where does all this salt come from? The answer lies in rocks on land. Rain isn't just pure water. It actually contains a small amount of carbon dioxide, CO2, from the air, making it slightly acidic. When this rain falls onto rocks, it slowly breaks them down, dissolving minerals such as sodium and chloride, the two main ingredients of table salt. These minerals then get carried by rivers into the ocean. However, when ocean water evaporates, the salt remains, gradually increasing the ocean's salinity over millions of years. But that's not the only source of salt. Deep beneath the ocean, there are countless underwater volcanoes and hydrothermal vents. These release large amounts of minerals, including sodium, chloride, magnesium, and potassium, directly into the seawater. Another surprising source of salt is marine life. When sea creatures die, their bodies decompose, releasing more minerals into the water, helping maintain the ocean's salinity. But if rivers constantly add fresh water, why doesn't the ocean gradually become less salty? Actually, yes, but very, very slowly. Each year, the ocean gets just a tiny bit saltier, but the process has been happening for billions of years. However, some natural mechanisms help regulate this. Some salt settles as sediment at the ocean floor. Marine organisms like corals and shellfish absorb minerals to build their shells and skeletons. Because of this, the ocean stays salty but doesn't become too salty for life to survive. If the ocean suddenly became fresh water, what would happen? Millions of marine species would struggle to survive. They've adapted to salt water, and if salinity changes, many of them wouldn't make it. Ocean currents would be disrupted. Salinity helps drive ocean currents, which regulate global climate. Without them, weather patterns could become extreme. Humans would be affected too. The ocean plays a crucial role in the water cycle, seafood industries, and even salt production. So, while seawater is salty, that salinity is essential for maintaining life on Earth. So,